What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of CA Buildz. If you guys are new here, tap that subscribe button. Say hello to Tyson. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Today we're back on our Tesla Model S. If you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. Got this thing from Copart. Take a look at that beauty. Light damage in the rear right here. But today we're gonna take it completely apart, see what kind of damage we have underneath all of this. Hopefully there's no frame damage. I'm not 100% sure yet. There is something I recently found out. Tesla did deactivate all their superchargers for their salvage cars. I mean, sooner or later, all the salvage cars will be deactivated. Maybe this one's not yet. I'm not 100% sure. So that kind of sucks. I mean, that's one of the biggest things with the Tesla is that you get to have a supercharger and you could charge it if you go on any long trips or anything like that. So this kind of sucks. Now we'll only be able to charge at home. Really big minus, but it is what it is. We still have to fix the car. We have to get it all repaired. So let's start taking apart the rear end. Before I start tearing into it, I want to show you guys what kind of damage we have if you're new here and haven't seen the previous video. So this is what we got. We got this Model S. It's the 100D. I believe the D stands for all-wheel drive, but that's where the main damage is. Everything else is pretty much mint. We obviously need a new hatch. This quarter panel is smashed in. The tub over here is smashed in. The frame does look okay, according to him. But everything else is looking good. So now I just have to take it all apart, take apart the bumper, all the trunk over here, and just see what kind of damage we have underneath there. And sorry if there's any wind noise. We do have some wind today, but let's start tearing into it. Check this out, guys. I got the bumper completely off. It comes one big piece. I mean, you could take this under tray off, but it all comes together. And the good part is all of our sensors, they're all intact. None of them are damaged. The wiring harness is not damaged. This under tray is not damaged. So we only need the cover because our cover is completely ripped off over here. And look at the damage on the car. So the tub is actually not that bad. It's all straight over there. It's a little bent in here. So I'm pretty sure we can save the tub, but we'll still have to see because this is all aluminum, and once you pull aluminum, it usually rips like it did over here. So hopefully we'll just be able to change the back plate over here and leave the tub as it is. Everything else is pretty straightforward. I'm not sure what's back there, but it does look damaged. Still got some water in there. Nice. And what we're actually gonna do now, we had the window guy come out to replace the windshield on this 4Runner right here. So I'll probably have them take this window off as well. And the reason for that is because when we're gonna be replacing this panel, the window's gonna be in the way. We're probably gonna be cutting it right there on that seam and probably somewhere down there. And we'll have to take this window off either way. So we'll just have them do it since they're here already. But everything else is pretty much straightforward. Let's keep on tearing this thing apart. The window's out, we got it right there. And this thing legit probably took about an hour, I'd say an hour and a half to get out. And that wasn't me doing it, that was those guys, and they know what they're doing. It's just so hard to get these over here because there's edges going and the top as well, and this part too. And to get there, we had to take off this big molding that goes all the way here, and there's like a million bolts going there, so that's off, and we finally got the window out. And now I have to figure out how to get this whole interior apart. I think I have to take out the seats to get these plastics out because it will be cut somewhere either here, or I don't know if we'll just be doing the skin and cutting it there. I'm not sure exactly yet, but I do have to take the whole interior apart. And to do that, I'll probably start off with taking off the reinforcement. I'll probably back up my truck or something over here and pull this part out first as much as I can. Hopefully it doesn't all just rip, and try to take out these plastics and everything. So let's try doing that. Check this out, guys. The reinforcement bar is off and you can clearly see the whole damage now. These are the frame rails right here, and the hit went on top. So none of the frame rails are damaged. They all look perfectly straight. It doesn't look like the frame took any damage at all. This side as well. It's just the structural aluminum pieces that go on top, and those are not really a big deal. What I'm gonna do now is pull up the truck and try to pull this part out as much as I can so I can take apart the rest of the stuff. I got the truck here and we're ready to do the pulling. Yeah, buddy? All right, well, our redneck engineering somewhat worked. Check this out. This thing was pushed in like right there, and it's pushed all the way back. I just attached the strap to the good old Tacoma and started driving. Yeah, the strap did snap, but we got what we wanted to do done. So now basically we can take out all these plastics. As you can see, they're already coming out. Before it was all crampled in there, and start taking out the rest apart. But look at that, man. Maybe we can pull that out as well, throw some Bondo, call it a day. Now let's keep on taking it apart. Okay, I got this bottom portion of the trunk out, and it looks like it actually ripped right there, and it's all ugly and gross. Got these little pieces out, and this is what it looks like in here. We got a little swimming pool, so we have to take all this water out somehow. Is this a pad? Oh, this is a pad. We're gonna have to take this pad out as well. Take all the water out of here, and I'm not sure what this is over here. Looks like some kind of speaker. Maybe, maybe not. But I have to take this out, and I don't think I'll be able to take it out with this being smushed in like that. So I'm probably gonna connect it to the truck again, somewhere up or over here, and try to pull out as much as I can so I can get this box out and we can get a new one ordered. Everything else is pretty much looking good, so let's try to get that pulled out. Well, I tried pulling this out more, but every time my strap would just rip because these edges over here are sharp. But it is what it is, that's fine. I'll try to take that box out like that. Take out as much plastics as I can right now. All right, guys, here's what we got done so far. I wasn't able to take this box off because there's just bolts I can't get to because it is smashed over here. I was able to get the tail light out, and I bent this out just to get some bolts from back there. But that's pretty much it for now. I'm gonna have to talk to the frame guy and see what else we'll need to get taken off before he can start doing it. I think all of this will have to get taken apart, but I'll talk to him first and then do that in the next video. All right, guys, that's it for today. I pretty much got everything taken apart, and I basically know everything that we need. So now I can start looking for parts, get those ordered up, and get it ready for frame. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.